Hi, Sarah. Why do you look a little frustrated?
Hi, Ahmed. I'm trying to learn English, but it feels so difficult.
Don't worry, Sarah. Learning English takes time, and it's completely normal to feel this way at the beginning.
Really, Ahmed? I feel like I don't understand most of the words.
That's okay. Everyone starts like this. The key is to practice a little every day.
I will try, but sometimes I feel nervous when I speak.
Don't be nervous. Mistakes are part of learning.
That makes me feel better.
Great. Let's start with some easy words.
Okay, I'm ready.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good. Now say good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. Now try thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. And please.
Please.
Very good, Sarah. Now let's try a sentence. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Amazing! You are improving already.
Wow. I didn't think it would be this easy.
It becomes easier when you practice regularly.
I understand now. I will practice every day.
That's the spirit. Try to listen to English and repeat what you hear.
I will do that. It sounds helpful.
Also, don't be afraid to speak, even if your sentences are simple.
I will try my best to speak more.
Good job, Sarah. You are doing great.
Thank you, Ahmed. I feel more confident now.
Keep going, and you will become very good at English.
I will not give up.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Sarah. Keep practicing every day.
I will.